If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and sorry that I'm in the same shirt as the last video I posted. I just love this shirt. It's from Forever 21, their pajama section, and it's like the seamless little tank top. Love it. Highly suggest. It's like $7. Today's video is going to be the perfect beach makeup. So this is a makeup look that you can literally walk out onto the beach and be totally fine. It's not gonna be too much, as like my last video was like a summer glam, like a night out on the town. This is kind of like, I'm just gonna be relaxing on the beach. I wanna look semi-cute, maybe if I take a photo or two, but I don't wanna have a bare face. And this is my go-to summer makeup look. And literally I wear this look every single day, and it's perfect for every single day, and it is perfect for just a day out by the pool or the beach. And yeah, so it's super simple. I'm using, let's see, 1, 2, 3. I'm using like 7 products, but most of them are just like little things. If you want to see my perfect everyday summer makeup routine for a day by the pool or by the beach, then just keep on watching. I'm going to Mexico Monday, so today is Thursday, which I'm posting this. So in Friday, Saturday, 4 days, I'm going to Mexico, and of course my face goes crazy. Your face always knows when you're going away, literally. And I'm so excited. So this is the makeup look I'm gonna be wearing on the beach, by the pool, you know, sipping on a drink. So to begin, we're gonna hydrate the skin, and I'm going in with my Hangover RX 3-in-1 replenishing spray just to give some moisture. So, since I'm going to be sitting out on the beach or by the pool or running errands, my everyday moisturizer, which is the Cetaphil one, has SPF 15. That way I get a little bit of protection from the sun on my face. And since I'm going to be out by the pool or the beach or whatever, I want to have protection. So, in today's video, I'm not going to be using a foundation, but if you want to have extra coverage, which I might do in Mexico because me and my friends said are just going to be taking photos. But if you don't want to just use concealer or whatever, you want to use a foundation, you like foundation and you love to wear it, I really recommend the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. This stuff has SPF 50. So this is literally a sunscreen, but it gives you a really nice coverage. It's not too cakey or thick. It's the perfect foundation concealer type of thing, I would say, because it is a CC cream, and this is amazing, so I highly recommend using this. Since we, you know, hydrated the skin, we're going to go in with primer, and you guys already know my Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This is my second one, and I'm literally like running out here, so. But this is what I do, and I think I got bit by a spider right here. It hurts, and it's like not a pimple. It wasn't even there yesterday. It came overnight. I don't know. This is gonna make you super glowy, but giving you a little bit of hydration. I have my damp beauty sponge, and for my like base, I'm gonna go in with just my concealer. This is the Naked Skin in medium light neutral. You guys already know I don't use anything other than this. So I will just apply it under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, my problem areas, chin, and then down the sides here. And this is literally what I do for the face. Oh, I'm gonna zoom you in real quick. As you can see, I just kind of highlighted or like chiseled out just the parts I want to cover and stuff, because this will spread. So I'm gonna take my damp beauty sponge, but I'm also gonna spray it with the spray here. So I'm gonna get really dewy, and then I just blend it out. That's all blended out, and now I'm just going to set my under eye with this Wet n Wild pressed powder. It's from their Photo Focus line, and this is in the shade, come on, what shade is this? doesn't say the shade. I think I ripped it off, but it might be like light or something. So I'm just gonna take a pointed brush, and the only places I'm gonna be setting is under eye. So that way we don't crease or anything. And just my T-zone. That's literally all I am setting. The rest can be left alone. So now we're gonna move on to blush, and I'm gonna be using my Becca Flower Child blush. I talked about this in my top 6 or top 5, I don't know, favorite blushes video. So I'm just gonna take a Morphe M530 brush, and what I do with this is just sweep it on the apples and upwards. I want to be super rosy and peachy, kind of like I just got a nice like sun-kissed glow, and this kind of gives you a little bit of a gold sheen here, which is why I absolutely love it. So you really don't need highlighter, but if you're extra like me, you put highlighter on anyways. So I kind of sweep it out like on my temples here. I kind of like that like sun-kissed, like burnt kind of look. And then all I do is I just sweep it across the nose. Up here a little bit, just a little, but really focusing on my cheeks. Go in with highlight. I'm going to be using my phone's going crazy over there. I'll be using my Essence Pure Nude for highlight today. And I'm going to use my favorite highlighting brush, the Morphe M510. And I'm really like getting in there and just applying that. This is a really subtle highlight, like I've said before, but you can definitely, you know, build it up if you're like scraping and stuff. But if you want more of a subtle highlight, you don't need so much. But I just find that this one is not like powdery, and it doesn't look chalky or glittery or patchy, so that's why I really like it, and it's literally like $2. So since we're going to the beach, I want to be super highlighted. So that's why I'm kind of going in ham. So that is it for the face. All I'm going to do is spray some setting spray just to melt everything in. And then I'm just going to take my sponge and just dab everything in. So it's nice and blended, doesn't look powdery, all that fun stuff. Told you guys, this is super simple. Sometimes, honestly, for my everyday look, I don't really fill in my brows, but if you want to, I'm not going to today. I literally just comb through them. I'm going to apply some mascara, so I would recommend using a waterproof mascara if you're going to be hanging out by the pool or the beach, but I'm not doing anything today. I am just going to be going to the gym later, so I'm going to use a regular mascara that's easy to come off with a makeup wipe because I'm lazy. And I do a really thin layer because I don't want my lashes to look too clumpy or, you know, too fake-ish. So I just keep it natural, and then I'm just going to go in with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost lip gloss in Soft Blush. Okay, so that completes my everyday summer makeup tutorial that you can literally just run to the bank or to do errands, or if you want to hang out by the pool or the beach, whatever it might be. If you don't want to get full on glam, this is what I do every day, and honestly it looks pretty full on glam because of the highlight, but literally it took me 5 minutes to complete, and that's why I love it. I kind of just kept it super natural, but like very glowy, didn't do brows, just kept my lashes somewhat on the natural side. I figured this would be great for the summertime if you guys are looking for a great summertime like everyday makeup where you don't want to, you know, be full on glam, but let's say you need to go to work, this is perfect. Or you want to hang out by the pool but you want to take cute photos and not have a bare face, this is perfect as well. I would just substitute some things if I was hanging out by the beach or the pool. Like I said, my CC cream, the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better, since it has SPF 50, you're going to get a better protection on your face from a sunburn. And instead of regular mascara, I would definitely choose a waterproof mascara. This one is the L'Oreal Luminous Lash Paradise, so it is drugstore. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It was it's such a simple, easy makeup look. Took me 5 minutes or so. So yeah, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on my socials, and I'll see you guys in my next video.